It just takes one to change the trajectory of life. All those scrambles, the ups and downs, all the sacrifice. Just so you know, everything in the world was created by someone like you and me. The 1%, the supposed gods, are they superior? Can I be? So whether you look at items like the fidget spinner, the power behind an idea is that it multiplies. Clearly, a winner. So let's step back from that job, that place that requires you. Is there an idea in that brain of yours that can go out and work for you? Concepts can become items of joy to those who will probably never know the fact that it was an idea by you, the person that chose themselves to give it a go. So whether you're sleeping or working hard on that next masterpiece, everyone has that one idea, that thought, their dream, their ticket to peace.